Welcome children, welcome to my class. Again today we will discuss about lesson 8, the tiger, the Brahman and the jackal. We have already discussed about 7 questions, okay, from this lesson. Now we will continue it. This is a revision class of part 2 and you have to by heart all the question and answers because it is a most important chapter and we have to by heart the question and answers, otherwise we cannot attend in the examination. Okay? Now see, I will tell you the story again. The tiger was trapped in a cage. It wanted to come out. At that time, a Brahman passed by. He requested the Brahman to let it out. Who requested? The tiger. The tiger requested the Brahman to let it out of the cage. The Brahman, afraid of the tiger, and he said it would harm it when it came out. But the tiger promised him not to be ungrateful and he would serve as a slave for his whole life. The Brahman was very simple. He believed the words of the tiger and opened the door of the cage. When he came out of the cage, the tiger wanted to kill the Brahman, eat it up, because he was very hungry and he wanted to kill the Brahman and eat him up. But the Brahman blamed the tiger that he was ungrateful. Then the tiger told, we will make 3 creatures. First 3 creatures. If any one of them told that the Brahman was the tiger was ungrateful, then the tiger would let the Brahman alive. So they went towards the forest and met the peepal tree first. The peepal tree supported the tiger because he was suffered much by the people, because he supplied food and shade to the people, but on the other hand people cut down its branches and fed their cattle. So he was angry with the people and he supported the tiger. At that time, an old dog came there. The Brahman told everything to the dog and the dog also supported the tiger. The tiger was very happy because 2 creatures supported it. So it wanted to kill the Brahman and eat him up. After a while, a jackal passed by. The Brahman told everything to the jackal again, but the jackal was very intelligent and he knew that the tiger was ungrateful to the Brahman. So the jackal wanted to punish the tiger. So it made a plan to put the tiger into the cage again. So he acted as a maid and he wanted to go to the place where the incident was happened. They went towards that place. When he saw the cage, he irritated the tiger and said that trap was too small. How could the tiger was in it? The tiger became angry and at once it jumped into the cage. And after jumping into the cage, The jackal quickly went there and shut the door of the cage, and the Brahman and the jackal came there happy. Okay, this is the story of the lesson. Now we will discuss about the questions again. Whom did the tiger and the Brahman meet? Whom did the tiger and the Brahman meet? Yes.
The tiger and the Brahman meet the purple tree, a dog and a jackal.
Okay.
The tiger and the Brahman met a purple tree and a dog and a jackal on their way.
Sit down. The tiger and the Brahman met a peepal tree, an old dog, and a jackal. The tiger and the Brahman met a peepal tree, an old dog, and a jackal. Because the tiger made a condition to meet first three creatures. They first met the peepal tree, then an old dog. After that, they met a jackal. Okay? How does the peepal tree help people, and how do people treat him? Can anyone say? No.
The purple tree gives shade and
Shelter.
shelter and
Okay, sit down.
the purple tree shall provide us oxygen, shelter and food.
Sit down. The peepal tree gives shade and shelter to people, but in return, people cut down its branches to feed the cattle. Do you understand what is the meaning of cattle? Cattle means cows, bullocks, goats, and some other animals. They are called cattle. Cattle is always plural. It is a plural noun. Okay. The peepal tree gives shade and shelter to people, but in return, people cut down its branches to feed their cattle. How do you know that people are not grateful to peepal tree? Can anyone say? How do you know that people are not grateful to peepal tree?
Purple tree gives us food, oxygen and shelter because people cut down the branches of purple tree to feed the
cattle. The same answer.
So the humans are ungrateful to the purple tree.
Peepal tree. Okay. People are not grateful to the peepal tree. Okay. People are not grateful. That means ungrateful. The people are ungrateful to the peepal tree because they cut down the branches of the trees to feed their cattle. Okay? Whom did the peepal tree support? Whom did, look at this. Whom did the peepal tree support and Why? Whom did the people tree support and why? Can anyone say? Yes.
The people tree supported to the tiger because the humans are cut the branches and to feed the cattle.
Okay. Can you say?
The people tree supported to a tiger because the people are cut down the branches to feed their cattle.
Okay, sit down. The people tree supported the tiger because it was suffered by men, though it helped them a lot. It helped the people, but people, on the other hand, cut down its branches to feed the cattle. How did the dog help its master, and what did the master do then? How did the dog help its master, and what did the master do then? Do then means do at his old age. No one. When the dog was young, it guarded his master's house and helped him in hunting. But the master had driven it out in its old age. When the dog became old, it could not do its work properly, it could not see properly, so the master driven it out, the dog, from his house. Okay, so the master was ungrateful to the dog because in its young age the dog helped the master, but when he became old and weak and could not see anything at that time, the master pulled the dog out of his house. Okay, then how do you know that the master is not grateful to the dog? We know that the master is not grateful to the dog because he has driven it out in its old age. Okay, then whom did the dog support and why? The dog supported the tiger because its master had driven it out in its old age, though it guarded his master's house and helped him in hunting in its young age. When it was very young, the dog helped his master in hunting and guarded his house. But when he became old, the master did not think about its past service. He driven it out of his house unstarved. Do you know what is called starve? Starve means without food. That means hunger. Starve means hunger. Then where did the jackal want to go to give his judgment? Where did the jackal want to go to give his judgment? Yes.
The jackal wants to give his judgment to a tiger, to the tiger.
Where did the jackal want to go?
Okay. The jackal wanted to go the first place in trap, to the trap.
Sit down. The question is, Where did the jackal want to go to give his judgment? The jackal said, I want to see the place where it was happened. So they went to the cage where it was happened. The jackal wanted to go to the place where it had happened to give his judgment. Okay? Then 17. Why did the jackal pretend to be foolish and mad? The jackal pretended to be foolish and mad to teach the tiger a lesson. Okay, children? In the next class, we will discuss about the remaining question and answers. Please by heart the question and answers. The question and answers are very difficult of this lesson. So we have to by heart them. Otherwise we cannot attend in the examination. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.